Ever heard of Bitcoin but not sure what it is? Let's break it down simply. By the end of this video, you'll understand what Bitcoin is, how it works, and why it's causing so much buzz. Let's dive in. Bitcoin is the first decentralized digital currency. Think of it as internet money that no bank or government controls. It was created in 2009 by an anonymous person named Satoshi Nakamoto. Unlike regular money, Bitcoin exists only in digital form and is stored in a secure online wallet. Bitcoin uses a technology called the blockchain, a public ledger that records every transaction. When someone sends Bitcoin, the network verifies it through a process called mining. Miners use powerful computers to solve puzzles, securing the network and earning new Bitcoin as a reward. Bitcoin has a limited supply. Only 21 million will ever exist. This scarcity makes it valuable, like digital gold. People use it to store wealth, send money globally instantly, or hedge against inflation. Major companies like Tesla and PayPal now accept Bitcoin too. To use Bitcoin, you'll need a wallet, like a digital purse. You can buy Bitcoin on exchanges like blockchain.com, send it to friends via QR codes, or even pay for goods online. Always protect your private key. It's like the password to your money. Bitcoin's price can swing wildly, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Store your Bitcoin securely, preferably in a hardware wallet. And remember, do your own research before diving in. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more crypto guides. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Let's keep learning together.